Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll tackle one of the most common issues iPhone users face, your device getting stuck on the Apple logo during startup. If this sounds familiar, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have your iPhone working perfectly again. Make sure to watch until the very end for the ultimate solution. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about why your iPhone might be stuck on the Apple logo. This issue usually happens due to software glitches, incomplete updates, or even hardware problems. It can be frustrating, but the good news is that most of the time, it's fixable without needing a trip to the Apple Store. Let's start with the basics. Here are 3 quick fixes you can try right now. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down and power buttons until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold the home and power buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. This can often resolve minor glitches and get your phone back to normal. Fix 2. Check for storage issues. If your device restarts but gets stuck again, it might be due to low storage. Connect your iPhone to your computer and check the storage through iTunes or Finder. Fix 3. Update via iTunes Finder. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open iTunes or Finder, and select Check for Update. This will install the latest software without erasing your data. If the quick fixes didn't work, don't lose hope. Here are some advanced methods to try. Fix 4. Use recovery mode. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 7 Plus, hold the volume down and side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s or earlier, hold the home and power buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open iTunes or Finder, and select Restore. Fix 5. Use MagFone iOS System Recovery. Software like MagFone iOS System Recovery can fix iOS issues without data loss. It is a best iOS repair tool which has user-friendly interfaces and helps you fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo with high success rate. If none of these solutions work, it could be a hardware issue. In this case, your best bet is to visit an Apple Store or authorized repair center. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the problem.